Hi, good morning everyone. Today is 24th June 2021. Let's see today market analysis. This is Nifty 50 chart, Nifty index. I draw few label for today. I have done some adjustment. You can see there is a channel formation. Okay, it's look like a good channel formation. So price may be literally move in this channel, or otherwise once it try to just a moment. Okay, otherwise once price just try to break this channel, then it can give some directional move. Okay, but what is this support today? I just colorized both green line. You can check this is work like support, and red line is work like resistance. Okay, till yesterday. Okay, there is support is different. Right now, range is changed. Okay, if you check minutely with big picture, you can identify range is changed. Okay, so now range formation is from 15,530 to 15,827. Okay, it is the range in between price is moving. Okay, this is the range price is moving in between from green line to red line. Okay, that means these are two both powerful labels. Okay, button one is support and top one is the resistance, and in between that you can see I draw two line, two yellow lines. These are minor support and minor resistance. Okay, what do you mean by minor support and minor resistance? Okay, that the probability of that support is less. Okay, but what action placed at strong support and strong resistance, that is very powerful, right? But still you can trade on these labels. Okay, but be careful about it. You need to use some additional confirmation, then you can take trade on these minor levels. Okay, and you can take a focus like this is a channel formation. You need to take care about it. This let it be small time frame. Let's see what's showing. Oh my god, oh my god, good one. It's showing a very good channel. If you check on lower time frame, I checked right now. It's a very beautiful channel formation, you can see. Okay, once it break, then there is a big opportunity. Okay, और ओवरऑली आप देखोगे ट्रेंड के हिसाब से, लेट मी मूव टू दी हायर टाइम फ्रेम. देखो till now trend is nothing. Okay, picture is not clear, but keep some important point in mind. This top level is very very important level. Okay, once it break this level, there is a opportunity to make money. Okay, that is very confidential money, because two time already take support, very strong support. This is the first point I need to keep hold to make money on that day. Okay, and in bottom side you can keep mind this level also. Okay, when this level break, you can make good money. In between that, price is in range, so you need to find a small stop loss setup, then you can take trade, right? I think market will open around 100 point up. Okay, market will open around this level, 15,000 this quadrant. Okay, you can see price will open in this quadrant. So after that, so much probability ki market can move in off direction. Okay, this is my personal view. Market probably have off direction. It's look like this. So this level is important. Once this level break, then we can find this level very easily, because in between that there is no resistance at all too. Okay, then move to the bank nifty. So in bank nifty also price is moving in a range, but in bank nifty range is little bit large, from 33,900 to 35,400. Okay, which is around 1,500. Okay, so this is the overall range price is moving. Here you can find a support like this level. 34,393 is a minor support, and major support is this one. Then here one diagonal major resistance, I can say. I just want to extend this one because I hope it may work. Okay, because it's continuously given a touch. Okay, so this level may give good result. So this is the I can say this is a major. Okay, this red one you can say this is a major resistance. So once this major resistance break, price will fire up. Okay, then what level we can expect? Next level we can expect 35,800. That will be good profit, right? Or after that, if you have any holding position, then you can do some pyramiding here. You can add some more quantity here, then it will go further. Okay, so this is all about today analysis. I shared a lot of stuff inside this. Just watch this video again and again to refine, retune your analysis skill. Okay, that's it for today. See you on my next analysis video.